Hello everyone, and welcome back to Machine's Visit. Nutella, a globally loved sweet spread, enjoyed by millions across Europe and America. But have you ever stopped to think about how Nutella is actually produced? Today, we're taking you on an amazing journey, from endless hazelnut farms, spread across the US and Europe, to the final jar of this premium chocolate spread we all love. And that's just the beginning. We'll also step inside advanced manufacturing plants, where hazelnuts are carefully roasted, finely crushed, and blended with chocolate, sugar, and vegetable oil, transforming simple ingredients into a treat adored worldwide. So let's begin this fascinating story. Nutella was first created in Italy, and soon rose to global fame, becoming a true food icon across Europe and the United States. Each year, more than 1.5 billion jars of Nutella are consumed around the world, with Europe and America leading global demand. Nutella overview. Nutella is made using a precise mix of simple yet premium quality ingredients, which together create its signature taste and smooth texture. Hazelnuts, around 13%, provide Nutella's distinctive nutty flavor and offer valuable nutrients. Cocoa powder, approximately 8%, adds a deep, rich chocolate taste that makes Nutella so indulgent. Sugar, about 55%, sourced from sugar beets, acts as a sweetener and also helps preserve freshness. Palm oil, roughly 20%, gives Nutella its silky, spreadable consistency. Skimmed milk powder, nearly 5%, enhances creaminess, while adding nutritional benefits. This carefully balanced recipe is what has turned Nutella into a staple in homes worldwide. Hazelnut processing. Hazelnuts form the backbone of Nutella, delivering its creamy texture and unmistakable flavor. Nearly 25% of the world's hazelnut supply is used exclusively to produce this iconic spread. The journey of each hazelnut begins in the orchard. Hazelnuts are mainly cultivated across Europe and the United States, with Turkey dominating production, accounting for nearly 70% of global output. In the US, Oregon stands out as the center of hazelnut farming, thanks to its ideal climate, cool summers and wet winters, perfect for hazelnut cultivation. Rather than being grown from seeds, hazelnut trees are developed from nursery cuttings. Strong, healthy branches are carefully selected and propagated in nurseries. These cuttings are grafted or cloned from mature trees to ensure disease resistance and consistent growth. They are nurtured under controlled conditions until they develop into strong seedlings. Once the roots are well established, the saplings are harvested, sorted, and treated with protective solutions. Each cutting is dipped into a root-boosting mixture to speed up root growth, increase survival rates, and strengthen the young plants during early development. This detailed preparation process creates the foundation for productive hazelnut orchards that make Nutella possible. After selection, the hazelnut saplings begin their next phase. Across vast farmlands, specialized planting machines automate the planting process. These machines grip each sapling, dig exact planting holes, place the saplings accurately, and firmly press soil around the roots, all within seconds. Remarkably, an entire hazelnut orchard can be planted in just a few hours. Once planted, hazelnut trees require continuous care from their early years until harvest time. Young trees are regularly irrigated using automated watering systems and supplied with nutrient-rich fertilizers to support healthy growth. Weeds are removed consistently, while pests and diseases are controlled using biological techniques or environmentally safe pesticides to maintain tree health. Hazelnut trees typically start bearing fruit about 3 to 5 years after planting. Harvest season occurs in the fall, when the nuts are ready. The key indicator of ripeness is when the outer husks change from green to golden brown, and the nuts begin naturally falling from the branches, especially after a light breeze. Ripe hazelnuts naturally drop to the ground, where specialized machines quickly and efficiently gather them, ensuring the nuts remain fresh and of high quality. This streamlined process sets the stage for transforming hazelnuts into delightful treats like Nutella. Hazelnuts often ripen and fall naturally to the ground, so row sweepers take over. These machines move methodically through the orchards, gathering fallen hazelnuts into neat rows. On the ground, they are equipped with rotating brushes or soft paddles close to the soil surface, working seamlessly to sweep the nuts while protecting the ground and nearby trees. During operation, the sweepers use a gentle air-blowing system to remove dust and dry leaves from the hazelnuts, leaving clean, tidy rows, ready for the next stage. This ensures the nuts are easy to collect, while maintaining their quality. Finally, specialized nut harvesters get to work, using powerful vacuum systems or rotating brushes to collect hazelnuts from the swept rows. The nuts are transported via conveyor systems for preliminary sorting, where lightweight debris, like dry leaves or twigs, is removed by controlled air jets. The cleaned nuts are funneled into storage bins at the back of the harvester, ready to be unloaded into transport trucks. This streamlined process not only ensures efficient collection, but also preserves freshness and quality for further processing. The specialized nut harvesters used in hazelnut farming are advanced machines, typically costing between $50,000 and $100,000, depending on size and features. Finally, they are loaded onto trucks for transportation to the processing facility.